Hi, today we have come with a review of this one more product I just got from China. This is a special tool, a special stool, a portable stool. This is the box, and you can see that this is a telescopic folding stool. To how this product is like, and it shows these are all the colors available and how you open it and close it. So you can see this is the actual product, and this is how the stool is like. It's completely in a disc shape, and it makes of good quality plastic. These stools are great for camping, and it's an adjustable portable stool. It's a collapsible telescopic stool seat. This is a telescopic style, and it's open ups and close up like a telescope. And this came from a 5-star supplier, and this is a small handle for picking it up, and this is a modern product. It's foldable, and it's good for room furniture or office stuff. It's good for camping, and you can use this for different purpose if you go on the car. And this shows it how to open and close. So let's see how it's like. I think it goes up like this, and you can open it like this and close it like this. So, and this is how it looks like when it's open. And in order to close, you simply push this button up and it goes down. And in order to close it, you just push it from the upstairs, and there it goes. So I say it's a good product. So I would say that this is a good product, and it's made from a very good plastic, and the price is about $20 to $30. And if you are interested of any information regarding this product, or you need this in bulk, we can help you out. And you can also see that if you need any information regarding the product, we have this channel with all the videos and reviews. So you can leave your message over here, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.